Namaskara. Welcome to today's Kannada lesson. Today we will learn how to buy leafy greens, Soppu, vegetables, Tarakari, and fruit, Hannu, in Kannada. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to greet a shopkeeper, ask for an item, ask the price, thank the shopkeeper. Let's begin. First, let's learn a few useful words. Soppu, leafy greens. Soppu, leafy greens. Tarakari, vegetables. Tarakari, vegetables. Hannu, fruit. Hannu, fruit. Now, let's learn a few common items. Palak Soppu, spinach. Pudina Soppu, mint leaves. Many Kannada vegetable names end with Kayi. Examples: Bendekayi, lady's finger; Hagalakayi, bitter gourd; Badanekayi, Brinjal. Fruits: Balehannu, banana; Mavina Hannu, mango. Let's learn a few useful expressions. Enu means what. Beku means want. Enu beku? What would you like? Kodi, please give me. Kodi, please give me. Estu? How much? Estu? How much? Let's practice a simple conversation. Namaskara. Hello. Namaskara. Enu beku? Hello. What would you like? Balehannu kodi. Please give me bananas. Sari, okay. Estu? How much? 50 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 50 rupees. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Thank you. Now, let's replace Balehannu with other items. Palak Soppu kodi. Please give me spinach. Bendekayi kodi. Please give me lady's finger. Carrot kodi. Please give me carrots. Mavina Hannu kodi. Please give me a mango. Great job. Today we learned some common names of leafy greens, vegetables, and fruits in Kannada. Practice using these words and phrases when buying Soppu, leafy greens, Tarakari, vegetables, and Hannugalu, fruits. Try replacing the item name in the sentence pattern. Item name and then kodi. Please give me, then item name. Thank you for joining today's lesson. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. See you in the next class.